Hello, today is December 15th, 2021. How y'all doing? How y'all living? I wanted to come on today and do an update on my hair loss journey. Three months. It's been 3 months since I started my locks. So I started my locks September 15th and it's December 15th. So I am just in love with my hair. I washed it Sunday, so it's been a few days since I washed it, shampooed it. This time I actually shampooed it twice. And the first time I did start off with a heat treatment this time also, and I did hot oils also. And then I just put the shampoo on basically dry hair. I mean, it was semi-damp. I mean, it was kind of damp because of the steam, but it was essentially dry, and I still only shampooed my hair twice. So that's awesome. I didn't do a retwist like at my roots, but I took, so you can probably see that it's kind of wavy because I did a twist out. So I just took kind of random sections of hair and twisted it. In the front I did flat twist because my parts are going down like that, kind of diagonal though. So I took each row or each line and did like a flat twist, and I just let my hair dry overnight because I don't have a one of those hooded dryers. So I just let my hair air dry, and my hair was dry the next day. Even though I had twisted it all up, it was still dry the next day. I was so excited when I took it down because it looked so cute. I've been planning my hair like all week. Yeah, I plan my hair. Let me get close so you can see it. So I still have this one. Let me see if I can find it. That's hanging low. This one is hanging low too, but there's another one. Let's see. Yeah, this one is really low. So this one is further back. But that's my hanging bulb. Let me do a 360. So that's my hair. What else did I want to say? I did braid a few of them up here. I think this might be a braid because they weren't staying twisted and they weren't locking. So I think that's a braid. And I braided a couple other ones up front too. So I figured it might have a better chance of staying braided and not unraveling when every time I wash my hair. And then I think I did something on this side too. I thought I did a braid. Maybe not. But these are locking. I mean, it's still pretty much just loose hair. It's still kind of in a twist, but you can't really see the twist either. So I guess it's like in a coil. I mean, it's locking for sure. My hair is definitely locking. I think it started locking. A lot of them in the back, it started locking almost immediately. And a lot of them in the back kind of sealed off, I want to say. I think that's all of my updates. I'll see you probably my next wash day. Alright, bye.